And before we leave the political arena entirely, a special farewell. After 18 years in politics, Tariana Turia, famously known for making a stand against the foreshore and seabed legislation, along with her co-leader of 9 years, Peter Sharples, will bow out of politics. History will look back on these two founders of the Māori Party as two of the finest Māori politicians of this generation.
And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few.
I think me leaving Premier House, ducked down in a car, should be left where it was. Yeah, it should never have happened.
I did what I had to do, saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got, if not himself? Then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way.
The bottom line is I'm prepared to lead us until I'm dead.
Yes, it was my way.
Oh, what legends.
Gonna miss those two.
Oh, well, absolutely.
miss
And what a
them.
legacy. What a legacy they leave.